So I'm over here at the flip that I'm doing in Euless. See, that's me. See the stain that we've done, new front door color, new light fixtures, flower beds going in. So flip is doing really good. They're putting countertops in today. Say hi. Hi. So you see the cabinets are in, quartz is going in. Little bar top here. So rehab is going good, making good progress. See the upstairs is done, see the fans are in. So just about a week or so away. They're doing the master bathroom now. See the quartz countertops are in. So yeah, we're doing good. Rehab process has been good. Contractor has been awesome. Got a little Jack and Jill bathroom over here. See that's going in. We got new flooring in, all new fixtures are in. Oh, can't go that way, he's working. Let's go back this way. So that open concept, beautiful black and white kitchen is just about done. Take it back outside real quick. So we added cedar accent here. We're over in Euless today. And if you know anybody looking for a home in Euless, there's the phone number. Tell them to give me a call. Hope you're doing well. God bless you.